So today's July 15th, and as you can see, we're at the high school construction site, and there is a ton of masonry that is being worked on right now. We're inside the conference room in the main office, and as we come through this door, this is actually the admin offices. I'm standing in mine, which is exciting. And we have the front of the office with where all of the administration, support, secretaries, finance is right here. Attendance office is over here. This is Amy. You're standing in your office. What do you think about that?
It's awesome. I love it. This is fantastic.
Fun?
It's stunning. Yeah.
Scott, let's go in your office.
Okay, let's go in my office here. Right now it's connected to your office. Right now it's a part of your office. And I'll come walk in, and what I'll do is Courtney, you there? You there?
Yeah, awesome.
So you can see all the piping is in this area.
Yeah, all the piping is now in the performing arts area. A lot of workers working. And we had to go in and check out the deck. I understand that's new since last time I made a video. So we're going into the auditorium. Woohoo! Look at that! Holy Toledo! That looks so different. That's a beautiful sight to see it come together like this.